Open a browser, Google Chrome, and then type Google Forms. Once you type a Google Forms, one link will open which says Google Forms free online service for personal use. Click only on free online service for personal use. After that, you will get a link saying that go to Google Forms. Personal, go to Google Forms. Click on this, go to Google Forms. Okay. Now, if you are using a laptop, you will get a template gallery. So, in the template gallery, you will see there are different templates which are ready-made. You can use it according to your requirement. Like here, there is one template for event registration. Similarly, you have a template for party invite. Same way, you have many other templates like event feedback, contact information, find a time, t-shirt sign up, then event order form, job application, and many more. For education, you have a blank quiz, exit ticket, and many more. So we will first learn to create a blank Google form. Then later on we will use templates. But if you are using mobile, you will not get these free templates. So right now I'm clicking on this plus symbol which says blank Google form. First thing, you have to give a name to your Google form. Then put a question. Whatever questions you want to include for your quiz, you type the question. National flower of India. So options I will type as lotus, rose, lily, and gerbera. Now if you want this question that respondent have to answer, cannot skip this, then make it as required. So here this is a multiple choice question. Meaning of multiple choice question is only one answer is correct. That is either lotus is correct, rose is correct, lily or gerbera. Now we will see a different type of questions. See, we will have questions like Chandigarh is capital city of following states. So over here, if I take multiple choice question, then see what will happen. I will type Haryana, then I will type Punjab, then I will type Goa, and I will type Maharashtra. Okay, now we will see the preview. This eye symbol which you can see over here is a preview. If you are using a mobile, you will get a preview on these three dots. You have to click on the three dots, then you will get a preview. So now I'm using this eye symbol. So if you see over here, my first question is national flower of India. So I can either type lotus, I can type rose, lily, or Jarbira. So among these four options, only one option is getting selected. Whereas when I select Chandigarh is a capital city of following states, I know the correct answer is Haryana and Punjab. But still it is allowing me to choose only one state. So that is the meaning we have to modify this form, because we have to choose an option in a such a way that the two answers will be correct answers. So here there is a pen symbol. I will click on this pen symbol. It says edit form. So for this question, instead of multiple choice, I will make this as a check boxes. And I will make even this question as required. That means respondents cannot skip this question. And even this question is required. Okay, now again we will see preview. We will click I symbol and we will see preview. So now if you see the preview, I can select correct answer as Punjab, Haryana, Goa and Maharashtra. Or I can uncheck and select Haryana and Punjab as correct answer. So I'll go back again to this form. So please remember, when you choose a multiple choice type of questions, that time only one answer will be correct, whereas checkboxes more than one answer will be correct. One more difference is when you click on this option required, you will see after every question there is a asterisk, there is a red color star, which indicates that this question is important. You cannot skip this question.